The notification comes at 2:13 a.m. Low balance alert. You already knew it was coming. You always know before the bank tells you. 842 left. Rent due in 4 days. Credit card minimum due tomorrow. Salary in 6 days. You close the notification without opening the app. You don't need to see the number again. You can feel the number. Most people think financial struggle is one moment, one bad year, one mistake. It isn't. It's a ladder. Every level feels temporary while you're in it. Every level changes what you worry about. Every level costs something you didn't know money could cost. This is what each level looks like, and what each one takes from you. Level 1. Broke. You are 19, or 22, or 27 and telling people you are figuring things out. Your account balance is not zero. Zero would be clean. Your balance moves between 3 numbers: negative, almost zero, temporary relief. You know the price of everything, not because you are careful, because you have to be. You calculate before buying food. You calculate before traveling. You calculate before answering messages that might cost money. You start saying no to things without explaining why. Friends stop asking after a while. You tell yourself this is normal. Everyone struggles in the beginning. You believe that because you need to believe that. At night, you open job listings you are not qualified for yet. You look at salaries like they belong to another species. 50,000 rupees a month. 80,000 rupees. 1 lakh rupees. Numbers that feel impossible. You promise yourself something quietly. When I make money, I will never feel like this again. Level 2. Paycheck to paycheck. You are 24. You have a job now. Real salary, real office, real ID card. The first month feels like success. The third month feels like math. Money comes in, money goes out. Nothing stays. Rent, fuel, food, bills, EMI. Something breaks. Something always breaks. Your balance never goes negative now. It hits zero exactly on schedule. You start understanding a rule nobody explains. Income is not the same as security. You see people your age traveling, buying phones, posting restaurants. You know half of them are using credit, because you are too. You learn how to delay payments. You learn billing cycles. You learn minimum due. You learn how to survive 1 more month. You tell yourself the next raise will fix everything. The raise comes. Nothing changes. Level 3. Stable. You are 27. Your salary finally sounds like a number adults respect. You don't check your balance before buying groceries anymore. You don't panic when a bill arrives. You don't calculate every decision. This feels like success. For a while. Then life expands. Better rent, better phone, better clothes, better expectations. You didn't become expensive. Your life did. You start thinking about savings, investments, insurance, retirement. Things broke people never think about. You realize something uncomfortable. You survived. Now you have to build. Building is harder than surviving. Level 4. Comfortable. You are 31. Your income finally sounds like a number adults respect. You don't check your balance before buying groceries anymore. You don't panic when a bill arrives. You don't calculate every decision. This feels like success. For a while. Then life expands. Better rent, better phone, better clothes, better expectations. You didn't become expensive. Your life did. You start thinking about savings, investments, insurance, retirement. Things broke people never think about. You realize something uncomfortable. You survived. Now you have to build. Building is harder than surviving. Level 5. Rich. You are 35. Your income is high. Your lifestyle is higher. You don't worry about bills. You worry about time. Your phone never stops. Your calendar is full. Your responsibilities multiply faster than your salary. People think money buys freedom. Money buys obligation first. House, family, investments, taxes, people depending on you. You remember being broke. You thought rich people felt safe. You don't feel safe. You feel exposed, because now you have something to lose. Level 6. Millionaire. You are around 40. Your net worth crosses a number that used to feel impossible. 7 digits. You don't talk about it. People can tell anyway. Money works now. Investments, assets, equity. Your problems change again. You don't ask how to earn. You ask how to keep. You trust fewer people. You read contracts slower. You think longer before saying yes. You understand something clearly now. Wealth is not income. Wealth is durability. You feel stable, not relaxed. Level 7. Billionaire. You are not playing the same game anymore. Money stopped being personal a long time ago. Your decisions move companies. Your calls move markets. Your name opens rooms you never knew existed. People talk differently around you, even when they try not to. You don't ask what things cost. You ask what they change. Time matters more than money. Reputation matters more than time. You have everything people think they want, and less normal life than anyone imagines. Level 8. Ultra Elite. This level has no number. It isn't about money anymore. It's about control, access, influence, longevity. Your wealth is structured to survive you. You don't think in salary. You don't think in millions. You think in decades. In rooms where decisions are made, no one asks what you earn, they ask what you own. You built what you once called freedom, and somewhere along the way, freedom became responsibility. Right now, somewhere, someone is checking their bank balance before buying food. They think this is the hard part. They think once money comes, the feeling goes away. It doesn't go away. It changes shape. Every level solves the last problem and creates a new one. The ladder never ends.